Hey, all you DecoNetwork users, Zach Dewhurst here with Deco Experts. DecoNetwork just released version 8.510, and it is a big release with a lot of great features and little fixes. Um, if you ever wonder how you can get to DecoNetwork's release notes, I just always just search DecoNetwork release notes. It brings me to the page, and then you can see what all features are included with each version. So there's a ton of updates, definitely worth reading through and playing around with. But I'm going to highlight some of the best new features that we have. So, one, the ability to sign new website registrants as company contacts or account terms. So a lot of my clients who use DecoNetwork software often have an ordering portal with a company, and they need the customers, the employees, to be able to buy on account, and then we invoice the company for all those orders. And there was no way to really do it without using a bunch of workarounds. This new feature is awesome for ordering portals in which we are not billing the individuals placing the orders, the company. So just to show you what you need to do, if I come into a website, just come into websites, come into here. If I come into the administration, we have customer registration. Now before you do that, you must come into store configuration, customer options, and you must set up, must be logged in to view the site and create a generic password, which is what you'd want in this case. And then if you come down to administration, customer registration, you can then say that all new registrants, so all those employees who have to place an order and then bill the company, we can then choose the company that is to be billed, and they're put as a customer contact underneath that company automatically. This is a great feature that's going to make life easier for those ordering portal situations. Awesome update. Um, let's see, what else do we have? Um, Option to only allow submitting orders on account terms. That's a great feature. Not a situation for that I just described, just a little bit different, but again, really awesome. Um, we added direct to film. That's obviously something everybody wants. You could always treat any of them as a direct to film, but this is a great feature. Um, the customer templates or the order templates and the order worksheets and email templates are significantly easier to update now. So if you go into email or order templates, it's primarily the order templates that were so difficult. But let's say the order worksheet or the invoice quote uh, order sheet, it is more like traditional CSS, in which it's just so much easier to update what I want the text to be or delete something, significantly easier than it used to be. Um, there's new features in the CSV import. Um, there's updates to blank products and so forth, but let's get to the next, really the biggest thing that I see, and it is game changing. So I order from Sport Tech every day. The STC36 is one of my favorite hats. Um, Problem is, it often goes out of stock. So they have all of these colors other than black white. They have zero here. So if I then go into products, I can go into the inventory settings and I can choose to use supplier inventory levels and then set what is the minimum threshold. In this case, I have it set to 0. Now, what's important is you must have live ordering accounts activated. So if you don't know how to do that, come into supplier account details. Here I have Sanmar, and then I have live ordering set up. Okay. So let's now go to the website and show you what this will look like. So let's go to Business T-Shirt Club is the site I'm demonstrating with. So we'll search for the STC36. choose my hat. So they have plenty of stock in everything but this black white. So if I try to just add to cart the red white, no problem. But if I try to add the black white, not enough stock. This is game changing. It's been very difficult to stop customers from trying to order a product that is out of stock. This is going to make life significantly easier for preventing customers from buying product that we can't get our hands on. Now, what you have to realize is it's per supplier. So now this is a unique product to just Sanmar, but let's use the Gildan 5000. SNS carries it, Sanmar carries it. When you create the product, you only choose one supplier, and the inventory is based on that. But this inventory level feature is going to make life significantly easier from having to contact the customer and say, hey, sorry, can't get our hands on it. These are just a few of the main features, but this is a huge update that is very exciting. Um, and I'm not positive, but I think this might be one of the last updates before we get to, actually, I think it'll go to 8.6. Don't quote me, but check out all the release notes and you'll see how many great new features there are. And it's going to make life easier for your staff and your customers. Um, and this is one of the great things about DecoNetwork. The software is always updating, it's always being improved, especially from us users' feedback. So enjoy these updates and good luck Deco Networking. Thank you.